Sir Ian Clunies Ross died in June 1959. Now, through the establishment of the Ian Clunies Ross Memorial Foundation, a National Science Centre is planned. The centre, to be known as Clunies Ross House, will honour the man who, for 10 years as chairman of CSIRO, guided and inspired the growth of science and its application to Australian development. And to aid natural rainfall, experiments were carried out into methods of creating artificial rain. Studies of cloud and ice crystal formation were made, while aircraft and high-altitude balloons were used to gather meteorite dust from the atmosphere, a dust associated with the theory of natural rainfall. Dry ice and silver iodide were used in cloud seeding experiments, which resulted in a considerable increase in the rainfall over selected test areas.